The Consumer Price Index or CPI measures inflation, how the prices of everyday goods and services change. To track this, we anchor everything to a base year set at 100 so future price changes can be compared easily. In India, catering to the need of specific population group, segment-specific consumer price indices, namely Consumer Price Index for industrial workers, Consumer Price Index for agricultural laborers and rural laborers, and Consumer Price Index for urban non-manual employees were being compiled regularly by different government agencies since 1960s. The National Statistical Commission (NSC) under Dr. C. Rangarajan in its report 2001 observed that consumer price index numbers catering to specific segments of the population can be considered as partial indices only. These indices are not oriented to reflect a true picture of the price behavior and effect of price fluctuations of various goods and services consumed by the general population in the country over a period of time. This commission therefore recommended for compilation of CPI for rural and urban areas. The recommendation of NSC 2001 was further endorsed by the Standing Committee on Finance 2009-10. Accordingly, the Ministry of Statistics and Program Implementation started releasing consumer price indices on base 2010 is equal to 100 for all India and states or union territories separately for rural, urban and combined every month with effect from January 2011. The compilation of CPI for urban non-manual employees was discontinued from January 2011. The new Consumer Price Index series was based on Household Consumer Expenditure Survey 2004-5 data. In view of the release of result of 2011-12 Household Consumer Expenditure Survey data, MOSPI updated the base year from 2010 to 2012 and the revised series was released in January 2015 along with the back series data from January 2013 onwards. In view of changing consumption pattern and retail landscape of the country, the base revision of CPI has become inevitable. MOSPI is planning to revise the CPI base from 2012 to 2024. The item baskets and their corresponding weights will be revised on the basis of the latest Household Consumption Expenditure Survey 2023-24. The history of India's CPI base updation reflects the story of a changing nation, and each updation ensures that the inflation measure accurately capture prevailing consumption patterns.